Hello friend, today we are going to download and install MySQL server in Windows machine. For that you have to search for MySQL download and hit enter, and after that click on MySQL, and here you have two versions, the MSI window for web and for community, and it is installed in your machine and it run in web browser. I'm going to download this one. Now here you can see it is 32-bit, but it is also work in 64-bit. Now click on download, and after that don't no need to sign in and log in, just click on here. It will start downloading. Okay. After download, just click on show folder, and here just double click on it, and I just minimize all of this. I just minimize all of this, and it will prepare for installing. Okay. Now click on yes. Now seeing this window, just click on custom and click on next. And after that, just click on plus icon. Click on plus icon. Just click on plus icon here. And after that, just move it to here. And here, just click on plus icon. Click on workbench. Click on here and just move it to here. And after that click on shell and click on here and just add it, and after that just leave it other thing as it is and click on next and click on execute. It will take some time and it will install your machine. Okay, after that click on next and just click on next, and I just leave it all as it is because this is our port number, this is X protocol port number, and just click on next and just leave it as it is and click on next. And here you need to provide password. I provide my password, you can provide your own. Okay, and after that you can also add new user. Just click here and select localhost because it is installed in our local machine, and provide name, for example Ijaz, and just create your password, or you can just go to OK and it will create a new user. I just cancel it. Okay, now I'm clicking next, and after that just leave it as it is and click on next. Click on next, and after this just execute all the thing. Okay, now after completing this click on finish and just click on next and click on finish. Okay, it will launch our shell and our workbench. Okay, our workbench is loaded. Now after that just click on the local root, and after that give your password and click on OK. Now it will load workbench. Okay, you can see, and you can create your database. In next video we will see how we can create database on workbench. Now after that just cutting out and just click on file explorer, and after that just go to your PC and click here C drive, and after that click on program file, and here you can find MySQL, and click on server, click on bin and copy this path. Okay, and just cutting out and search for system environment environment variable and click on open. After here, click on environment variable, click on path, just double click and add new and paste the location. Click on OK, OK, and last OK. Now after that, just search for cmd command prompt and open it and search for mysql and hyphen hyphen version and hit enter. And after that you search mysql and then hyphen u, then root, and then hyphen p for password, u for user, root for here just provide root, not root. Okay, now here we have hyphen p for password, hyphen u for user, and after click enter. It asks your password, just provide it and click on enter. Now just run the command show data base says and then semicolon and hit enter. It will show you the by default database. Now after that we create database, name it Ijaz DB. Now after that provide semicolon and hit enter. Okay, now just create the same. Now run the same query, hit enter. Okay, now you can see Ijaz DB is shown here. Okay. So that's it for today's video. In this video, we see how we can download and install MySQL server and workbench and shell. Okay. Eh, okay. Hope you like this video. If you did, please subscribe my channel, share with your friend, and bye bye.